Hi, Phiru here, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be drawing some hands, and hopefully this video can help you with your studies regarding hands. So if you're wondering what anatomy book I'm using right now, it's an anatomy book by Tom Fox. It's an awesome book, very useful if you're learning to draw anatomy. I highly recommend it. Just like everyone else, I struggle with drawing hands too. I used to draw characters and just hide the hands so that I don't need to draw them. But why do we need to draw hands? Or why do we need to know how to draw hands properly? Well, for starters, you can't just keep hiding the hands when you're drawing your characters. Having the ability to draw good hands will help you create better and more expressive characters. Not to mention they have hands. Anyway, back to the drawing. In this part, I'm trying to draw the simple shapes of the hand for the wrist, the palm, and the thumb. Now I'm drawing the individual segments of the finger. The quickest way to learn to draw hands is to see these hands in simpler shapes. So I'm trying to draw how the nails rest on the finger, and it's important to know that it doesn't just lie flat on a cube. Now I'm trying to draw this hand from the book, from what I've learned so far. Next is trying to draw the basic shape of the palm. Here's another great way to simplify the hand. Now for some application. I'm going to draw some hands based from what I learned so far. Here's another hand simplification. Let's do another hand, keeping in mind what I learned so far. And with that, this particular session is done. That's all for now. If you like this kind of video, please hit the like button, and if you're new here, please do subscribe, it helps the channel more. I'm planning to upload more anatomy videos, or if you have any suggestions on the next video, please comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.